So you're welcome once again on this platform, and over here, as you can see, we have unknown error on our YouTube app. And as you can see, I'm on YouTube. So if you want to fix this problem, it's very simple and easy. So I was just going to the subscription to see apps, account our channels that I've already subscribed to, and it says unknown error. So when you try to refresh it and still it's not working, do you get me? So you see, when you refresh it and it's still not working, this is what you have to do. You just have to clear this. Then after that, so as you can see, I refresh it and it's working for me. But when it's not working for you, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu. Just use your finger to tap on your YouTube app for some while. Tap on the app info. Then after that, what you have to do next is to just tap on storage and cache. Then after that, tap on the clear cache down below over here. So after clearing the cache, tap on your back section to go back. Then after that, what you have to do is to tap on force stop. Then you tap on OK. Then after doing this, go to permissions and allow every permission over here. So after allowing every permission, now go back and check notification and make sure the show notification is turned on. After doing all this, what you have to do is to restart your device, and it's going to work perfectly. If it's not working, go to your Google Play Store and try to update YouTube, and it's going to work perfect. Thank you for watching this video.